How to download stories from Snapchat. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This channel helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Snapchat on your mobile. As you open Snapchat on your mobile, then you have to go on discover option that is on the right corner. Click on that, or spotlight option. People also call it the spotlight option. Now as you click on the spotlight option, now over here you will have these stories. You have to click on these three dots and then you have to go on send a snap. As you go on send a snap, then you have to copy the link from here. As you copy the link, then you have to go down, and either you can use a Vidmeet account, Vidmeet application to download it, or you can also go to Google Chrome. Over here you can search for Snapchat video downloader, click on any of the link, and over here you have to drop your link. As you drop your link over here, now by clicking on download, you will be able to download the stories from Snapchat. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.